lang ha towers, atong ipaila-ila ang atuang mga coaches and zine masters nga maunjoy nagpasiugda o nagpursige nga madayon atong Zumba Zone 2. But before nato sila paila-ila, of course, kinahanglan paila ang inyong presensya, kinahanglan namo makita o ma-feel ang inyong presensya. And as I call the name of your groups, please give us your loudest and your biggest cheers. And now, let's begin with San Carlos City Hot Towers. Alright, ano pagpakan syempre. Next, we have Tuboso Hot Tower Group. Alright. And of course, we have Buena Vista Hot Towers. And of course, we also have the Team Esme. Team Esme, basig padulong pa to. And of course, we have the Starbucks Zumba Fitness. Where are you guys? And we also have the Motors. And joining us here this afternoon, the City Mall Hot Towers. Alright, thank you so much. And of course, we have from the municipality of Calatrava, the Squad. And now, ladies and gentlemen, atong ipaila-ila ang inyong mga zine master, ato ang zine masters and coaches for today's Zumba Zone 2. Starting off with Coach Levy. Atong papakan. Then we also have Zine Helen. Then right here we have D. Crags Chobet. We also have D. Crags Angie. Then we have D. Crags Bea. And joining us here also D. Crags MM. And of course, the man behind the Zumba Zone 2 in Calatrava, D. Crags Manuel. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, your coaches and your Zumba instructors. And now, for the information of everybody, we have paint colors right there. Sa loyo, pwede mo maglamhitan na yung sa. Ha? Lamhitan na pag gusto mo sa inyong colors to make this occasion colorful and festive. Of course, tanan invited, tanan. Pwede mo kuha ang colors. Our colors are free, of course. Aside sa colors, we also have free waters for you guys. Free drinking waters. Pwede mo start kung wala may makitang colors sa inyong mga panit diha. So, make use of the time. Make bond, have fun, and enjoy the colors that you have this afternoon. And of course, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of our tourism officer, Ma'am Amy Rose Lavilla.
Brad lang ako. Kamay lang.
Yes, of course. Sige, lang hit. afternoon. And for the information of everybody, kung kinsa to na pinakadahang pintura, pinaka-colorful will receive a prize from Sir Eman. Anak na ituduhin na tanang colors na ilampit na sa lawas. Tanawo. Correct.
Nakuha na na.
Kana. This only happens
Uy, ako batang may laban na ba?
once a year. Siguro yung matabo. O karon na good. Actually, natabo. Ang ato ang Zumbathon with paint party.
Asa tong white? White lang pala.
Again, ang pinakadaghang colors, ang pinaka-colorful direct panit will receive a prize from Sir Eman.
Wala man, ayaw na gusto na.
Alright. Tanana didinhi, kaning pink, yellow, tanana colors, tanana vibrant colors that you see right now. And it's really good.
Batang may laban.
Festive to see everyone is enjoying for this event. Alright, and now may I have your attention please, ladies and gentlemen, to give us a message this afternoon. Let me introduce to you our Tourism Officer, Ma'am Ana Rose Lavilla. Let's give her a big round of applause, please.
Gusto na.
Hello, Hatowers! Hatowers are ready!
Ay, mana Indian.
Kailang colorful na kayo mga now. Vibrant na kayo mga now. Welcome to Zumbathon ngayon paint party season 2. So wala lang dunudam ha. Naka-season 2 na kita di ay, no? Kaya wala yun originally sa plano, pero karon na hinong tinuod ang mga drawing lang. So today will be the official grand opening day of this month-long Centennial Festival celebration. So, kabalo ko, excited na ang tanan, diba? Excited ang tanan? Or dagko kay premyo si Sir Manuel. Dili mo to, oh? May Zumbathon King. Something ako? May Zumbathon Queen. Best neon attire. Most energetic Hatawer. Aware naman